guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sweetie and I moved to Bangalore 7 months ago as a software developer, and ever since then I was living in a PG. I always wanted to get a single room and a flat of my own so that I can have my own space and kitchen and all the stuffs, and finally I was able to get one. So don't get me started on what kind of flats did I see. So the deposits, the setup cost, the brokerage. So after a lot of hunting, this was the flat that I got. So I'm currently in my new flat. This is one room in 3 BHK. So I found it through Facebook, and it's a very cute flat. I'll show you guys around. It has a very big window. It has also a balcony, and it also ticked off so many things that I wanted on my bucket list. So that's I'm so happy. I don't know if you could see, but I'm very happy with the flat. So I'm very excited to show you guys. So coming to the move-in part, so I moved 2 days ago. So the furniture, including the bed and the mattress, got delivered day before yesterday, and then I shifted all my clothings and all the washroom stuff and everything, and the curtains and all those I did yesterday.
2,000 years later.
Waiting for the furniture guy, so I had ordered bed from a local shop, and he said he'll deliver it to my address. But I don't know why, but the driver cannot find my exact location. I don't know if he's able to read the map or not. I have asked him to share his location, but he's not able to do that as well. And for like half an hour to 40 to 45 minutes, we have just been circling around Novia main road, Novia this area. I don't know where he is now. Today is the day that our table got delivered. So the table, I put something there. It's basically for keeping like laptops and all other stuff. So I do have that, and it's still packed, so I have to take that out. I have to assemble that. I also got lamps delivered. So today what we'll be doing in this video is assembling all that, and yeah, I'll be showing you guys the flat. So I'm contemplating if this will go better with this one or this one. And I think this is going well with the vibe. Although we'll be able to see when we have bulb. So for now, it is here in the corner. So this is for now what is the look. We have a board here, but we have nothing, so we have to fill that. So one thing that is currently missing that I feel is plants. So these are artificial plants or artificial leaves that I've put, but I wanted to get some real plants for the room or for the tables and for the room in general. So today's the day we'll go out and buy some flowers. So yeah, let's just go.